Hi my friends, and welcome back. I'm George Pearson. I do want to thank you for watching. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a Facebook fan page, as well as your logo, as well as your Facebook cover, and a couple more details that we're going to get into, so that when we're done, your Facebook page is going to be ready to go. Just a reminder that this channel is about growing your YouTube channel and making money online as an affiliate. If either of those are of interest to you, don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way you're going to get notified when these videos are published. Let me just fill you in on what you're about to discover. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Facebook. I'm going to kind of put the last first. We're going to go to Facebook and we're going to set up the Facebook page. We're going to upload a logo. We're going to upload a Facebook cover. I'll show you how to do that, but then we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how to create that logo. Really simple. And then I'm going to show you how to create the Facebook cover. Really simple. All this is super simple. It really is. It's super easy, and I think it's fun. I think you will too. So let's go to Facebook so you can see what I'm talking about. And I've taken us to Facebook, and at the bottom of the page, go to Facebook and then go to the very bottom of the page, and you're going to see Create Page. Simply click on that. Click on Create Page. And that's going to take you to the Create a Page page, and choose the one that's appropriate. In our case, we're going to be choosing business or brand. Choose which kind of a page you want to create, and then just fill in the details. In this case here, it's going to be Crazy Bargains. Fill in the details. Fill in the details, choose the category, address, phone number if you wish. That's not necessary. You do not have to put a street address, by the way, but you do have to put city and state. And when you fill the information in, hit continue. And then we want to upload our logo. I'll show you in just a little bit how you create that logo. Again, I'm taking you to the Facebook first, and actually you technically should want to have your logo already, such as I did, and your Facebook cover. I'm going to show you how to create those in a little bit, but you can see how easy it is to just upload them. And that's simply what I'm doing, is I'm uploading the logo, or a profile, in this case a logo, and I'm also uploading the Facebook cover. As you can see, I just click on it. Just click on it and click open. There we go. And under Crazy Bargains, you can see at username, we're going to change that to Crazy Bargains Channel. We simply click on it and type in the channel. And then once we do that, we simply create the username. The next thing we want to do is add a button. And we're going to link that, I'm going to link this to the YouTube channel. You can link it to your YouTube channel, you can link it to your website, you can link it to a capture page, to a giveaway, to whatever you want to link it to an event, and so forth. But this is simply how you do it, real simple. Just click on it, add the information that you want, click next, and then add the link to the website, the YouTube channel, etc. Add the link that you want, click done, and what you can see that I'm doing here is I'm going to the channel in order to get that link, and then I'll simply copy that link from the channel and paste it into the Facebook. And once you do that, just click save and then make sure everything's right, and it is, and then click finish. And your website, your Facebook fan page is ready to go. You've got your logo, you've got your page, got everything that you want, you're ready to start making posts. Next thing I want to do is take you to a site called Pixabay, and this is where I get most of my images. Pixabay is 100% free, and there's no need for attribution, so I can use the images pretty much any way that I want. And what I'm going to do is type in shopping cart, and this is where I got the shopping cart. It actually was on page 2. As you can see, we'll scroll down, and there's the shopping cart with the woman. I'll simply click on that and download it. As you can see, it's a free download. And I'll get the size that I want, which is typically it's going to be for YouTube, so I want to do the 1280. that just downloaded. Now I'm going to go to a site called Pixlr, Pixlr.com. And Pixlr is a free, 100% free photo editing site. I'm going to open the image, and that's the image that I just downloaded, or I can drag and drop. Simply add the image to the site. There is the shopping cart. And what I want to do is change the background. I'm going to put in a yellow background, which is what I had on the other one. So I'll go up to the top. That is actually where you change the background. I'm going to click on that, and then click on background, and that allows me to pick a color. And of course it was yellowish, so I'm going to click on the yellow, and then get to more yellow, a little more yellow. There we go. Next thing I'm ready for is to add text. And I'm going to pick a text that's a little bit crazy because it's crazy bargains. Now the best text is Arial, typically, because that's the most readable, but this is a logo and I want to make it a little bit different. And that's why I'm going to come up with a little bit different font. And then I'm going to get on the green, change my text to crazy bargains, putting it over where I want it to be, turn it, and it's that simple. We now have our logo. Simply name it and download it, and then that'll be ready to upload to your Facebook page. Next thing we're going to do is our Facebook cover. I'm at Canva, Canva.com. It's a free site, 100% free, and I've typed in Facebook cover, and these are all the different covers that I have available. Lord knows how many. They're all free. There's hundreds of them, perhaps. I kind of had to go down to the bottom, but I did find one. I was looking for something that, like a woman, happy woman, or a woman shopping, or somebody shopping, or a couple shopping, or possibly shopping bags. And that's the one, the Aqua Shop apparel. That's the one that I decided on. So simply click on it. I'll just simply change the text to what I want, and click download. It's that simple. If you like this video, and I hope you do, give it a big old thumbs up. I'd appreciate that. Do that right now. And while you're at it, consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed, and be sure to ring the bell so that you're going to get notified when these videos get published. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success.